In this video tutorial, we're going to cover the JumpCloud User Portal and how you can use this to manage your password and access your applications. In order to log into your personal JumpCloud User Portal, navigate to console.jumpcloud.com, type in your company email address and password, and hit the User Login button to log in. You'll automatically be brought up to the applications you have access to. These could include your HR apps like Bamboo HR, storage apps such as Dropbox, as well as your departmental apps such as Salesforce, depending on your company's applications or department needs. If you need to access any of these applications, simply click on the application that you need. Automatically, you'll be logged into that application and good to go. If you'd like to change or add your personal or employee information, you can do so under the Profile menu in the left-hand side. Finally, if you need to change your password at any time, the Security menu will allow you to change your password. If you're a Mac user, we recommend using the built-in JumpCloud Mac application shown in your Mac's taskbar. By changing your JumpCloud password, this will update your password across all of your connected resources such as your laptop, G Suite or Office 365 accounts, Wi-Fi password, and more. You can also add or reset your multi-factor authentication here as well. By setting up MFA, this creates you a secondary layer of security on your JumpCloud account and available applications. You will need to use a TOTP token-based app such as Google Authenticator in order to leverage MFA. For any Mac or Linux users, you can also store your SSH keys in the SSH key area under your JumpCloud account. These SSH keys will be used and stored for any Linux or Mac systems you have access to within JumpCloud. Ask your IT admin for more details on setting up multi-factor authentication or SSH keys for your JumpCloud account. Check out JumpCloud's knowledge base articles for more information about how JumpCloud works, or reach out to your company's IT admin for more information.